Good morning, children, and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, we are discussing about the first chapter of Vista's book, and the name of chapter is The Third Label. This particular chapter, The Third Label, has been written by one of the well-known writers of English literature, or his name is Jack Finney, who contributed a lot in the field of literature and worked as a novelist and story writers. Dear students, this particular third label is an amazing story. The story about which the other people will not easily believe, or the central character of this story, Mr. Charlie, visited third label, or he is sharing his experience of third label through this lesson. Though his psychiatrist friend is blaming and imposing allegation on him that it is only to escape from the harsh realities of life, but the narrator of the story, Charlie, visited that third label, or he is telling about that third label, that how he reached there. Dear students, I have told you in previous video that how the president of USA, how the president of Grand Central Station, how they will, and other important dignitaries, how they will not believe in the story of Mr. Charlie, or they will surely and certainly say that there are only two labels of Grand Central Station. But this particular narrator of the story, Mr. Charlie, has experienced a third label. I have told you in previous videos. Or what was their when he told this story to his psychiatrist friend, how he reacted, I told you. I also told you that what were the situations, why he was forced to take the subway train, what was the reason. Actually, dear students, I have told you in the previous video that Mr. Charlie, the central character of the story, he was getting late, or he wanted to go home, as he worked late in his office, or he was getting late. So for that he wanted to catch that subway train, underground train, or for that he moved to that Grand Central railway station. Or I have also told you in previous video that he entered from Vanderbilt Avenue to Grand Central. Or dear students, or when firstly he reached to the first label, from where the 20th century trains anybody can take, or then after he reached to the second label. और I have also told you in the previous video कि through a arched way he entered in a big tunnel और finally he was lost. The narrator Charlie was lost. He was not able to come out. Dear students, or he is telling his experience कि many hundred times he visited Grand Central Station, but this time he was unable to come out. Or he is telling his further experience कि through that long tunnel, once he reached to the lobby of Roosevelt Hotel, he was searching his way. He wanted to come out, but through that long tunnel, understood, as he entered through that arched way, he reached to the lobby of Roosevelt Hotel. Again he tried, or finally he came up in an office building on 46th Street, 3 blocks away. So he reached different places. Once in the lobby of that Roosevelt Hotel, or another time office building on 46th Street. So after this update, after this, the narrator Mr. Charlie was thinking कि that particular Grand Central Station was growing like a tree. Here is given कि sometime I think, please open your book, last paragraph of second page. Sometime I think that Grand Central is growing like a tree or pushing out new corridors and spreading in different corridors and staircases like roots. As with the passage of times, roots used to spread in the different directions. In the same way, dear students, the narrator Mr. Charlie was thinking that particular Grand Central Station was extending. Its corridors, its stairs, different things. There is probably a long tunnel that nobody knows, or writer here also claims. Here says कि there he only expresses the possibility and probability कि there may be a tunnel that nobody knows, or it might leads to the square, Times Square, or to the Central Park. But that particular tunnel nobody was knowing, even he himself was not knowing. He was showing only the possibility and probability. As 2 times he reached to the different places, as he has forgotten, as he was lost on that Grand Central Station, as he was not in position to come out. People through the years, Grand Central Station has been exit. Many times people came and they came out of that Grand Central Station. It can be a way of escape. Maybe that is how the tunnel I got into. The writer also got one tunnel. But this story of getting tunnel and reaching to the different places like lobby of that Roosevelt Hotel and that office of that 46th Street, he never told and he never shared this thing to his psychiatrist friend Sam, because he was knowing कि his friend will not easily believe. His friend will never believe on this story कि that he reached at the different places. But he is describing his experience here कि how he one day lost at Grand Central Station and he was not in position to come out. The corridor, or further he further moved. What is written? The corridor I was began. It was angling. It was turning. It was turning left and slanting, sloping downward. Finally, the corridor which writer followed, that was turning left and it was going down, sloping down. Narrator firstly thought that he was wrong. I thought that was wrong, but I kept on walking. But the narrator kept on walking. He moved on walking. All I could hear was empty sounds of my own steps, and there were no people, there were no persons. Only he was listening the sound of his footsteps. I didn't pass a soul. The narrator did. Soul means here person, man. The writer didn't pass a single man. He had not seen when he was going through that corridor. Then I heard the sort of hollow roar ahead. That means open space. And people were talking. The tunnel turned sharp left. Through that he was going. I went down a sort of flight of stairs and finally he came out the third level. Finally he reached to the third level. He followed that corridor and tunnel, and he through different ways he ultimately reached to the third level. But he was not knowing firstly that he was on third level. After seeing the things which were present on that level, he concluded in his mind that it is not first level, it is not second level, but it is third level. But the thing, because things were something different. Here is given third level. For a moment just I thought I was back on the second level, but I saw the room was smaller. See, describe the condition of third level. How the third level was looking. Here is given that the rooms were smaller. There was a fewer ticket windows in comparison to the first level and second level. And information booth was in the center. Was wood, that was made up of wood. Information booth, inquiry counter. Old looking, and it was old dated. The man at the booth wear green eyes and long black sleeve protectors. He has worn some different dress. Understood? And the lights were dim. The lights on third level of Grand Central Station, the lights were dim. Not very bright. A sort of flickering. They were flickering. They were waving. Understood? And they were open flame gas. There was open flame gas light. Not the halogen lights, not the big lights, but there was a gas light. There were brass spittoons on the floor. Understood? So here many changes were seen by the narrator, Mr. Charlie. And across the station, a giant of light caught my eyes. Glint of light, not giant, glint of light. Glint means reflection of flash. Reflection of flash of light caught the right narrator's eyes, Mr. Charlie's eyes, or what he saw in that reflection of light. a man was pulling a gold watch. At that third label, one man was standing, or he was pulling out a gold watch from his vest pocket, or he snapped open. Understood? He snapped open. He opened with jerk. That he opened, he took out that particular watch with jerk, or suddenly, and the cover, or glanced at his watch and frowned. He glanced his watch, and finally his dress was also different. He wore a derby hat and a black 4-button suit and tiny here lapels, or he had a big black handlebar mustache. That man who was pulling out that gold watch from his vest pocket, his appearance, his dress was something different, or he was having a big mustache, or that mustache was just like this, here like cycle handle. Dear student, one more thing I want to tell you. Then I looked around and I saw everyone at that third level station were dressed in the same way. That everyone in station dressed like 1890 something. That they were the people of not 1900 something, but they were the people of 19th century, late 19th century, not 20th century. I never saw so many beards, and before that he has not seen so many beards and so many mustaches, but on that day, on third level Grand Central Station, the narrator observed these things. Or fancy mustaches in my life. Again, one more thing he observed, कि a woman walked here is in through the train gate. He observed that a woman walked through a train gate. She wore different dress, or how his dress was different. Here is given कि she wore a dress with leg of mutton sleeves. Understood? And skirts to the top, her high buttoned shoes. Back of her out on tracks, I caught, the writer saw the glimpses of a locomotive here, railway engine. Writer saw the railway engine also, but that was something different. It was not like 20th century railway engine. And very small courier and many funnel shaped. It was funnel shaped. So the writer saw the different things, or to make sure whether he was on third level or not, he moved to the newsboy. Or to make sure, I walked over to a newsboy and glanced at the stack, means that heap of newspaper. Stack here, heap, bundle of newspapers. Or when he saw that newspaper, dear students, it was the newspaper of 19th century, or the famous newspaper. The newspaper name was The World. The World was not in existence in 20th century. The World that hasn't been published for years. Understood? Or that particular story which was written in that newspaper, it was about the President Cleveland. So after this, or dated 11 June 1894. Understood? So after that, he was sure that this particular label is not first, second label, it is third label. Understood? and rest of all I will tell you next